Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear greater viewers, audience to herbal medicinal plants, exceptional dawn broke era. Most welcome all of you at Tahqiqat Qasmi channel. In today's speech, I am going to address the remaining part, that is second and last part of succession to the prophets. Brothers and sisters, gentlemen, with the perfect, certain, divine guidance towards whole universe, by first succession of prophets, the human being enlightened with the knowledge of every what was needful, useful for living, surviving, sustaining, also every what was avoidable, protectable or harmful, literally, inwardly, outwardly, mentally, physically, neurologically, psychologically, socially, economically, etc., etc., etc. Knew the relation of living things or creatures with each other deep-rootedly. As a positive and seen result, the mankind become healthier in the sense of body and mind and emerged to tolerate all divinely injections and ordinance and able to defend themselves from deception, cheating, hollow wishes, promises fabricated by devil, Satan, Lucifer, or by own mischievousness, or otherwise by wrong desire or gullibility. Anyhow, then exultant Almighty initiated second succession, sending for human spiritual benefit and betterment with proper time-bound ordinance prayers requiring body use as well as incurring the lawful wealth sincerely. Subject to consent, willingness of Almighty to have been well, but best rewarded in the form of heaven, Jannat, where every entrant will have to enjoy all its unimaginable magnitude, endless booties, and everybody else will never face the death or non-existence. This second succession of prophets, messengers for spiritual empowerment to human being or super reasoning animal began from Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam and lasted to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Without imitating, following him inch by inch, nobody else in this world could live peaceful life, neither here nor hereafter. The next focus over herbal medical knowledge, I will discuss how herbal treatment knowledge was spread, shared, contributed among countries, states, continents, subcontinents, peninsula, etc., etc.